Hey friend, this is Anil, and in this video we will learn how we can add a skill to just click on this button. So in my previous video I already told you how we can display the data in grid view. So if you didn't watch my previous video, then before proceeding must watch the previous video. I have put the link in my description. You can watch the video. So once you will click on the add skill button, the skills will be added in this grid view. And in my next video, I will let you know how we can edit and delete the skill. Okay. So let's move on the Visual Studio. So on this application, this solution we were working. So now here you can see the add skill button. I have added over here. Now in this add skill button, we have to just add a event handler. So I will add a event handler over here. Okay. Now go in the backend and create a event handler. Okay. So in the backend, I will add a skill event handler over here. So on this event handler, once you will click on the button, a pop-up will be come to add the skills. Okay, so that pop-up we will add in this below section. Okay, so just minimize this screen and minimize this stack layout. And in my previous video I already told you how we can add the pop-up. Okay, so for that, first we need to add a content page.content because it's saying content is set more than once. Okay, so for that I'll minimize this and as a content page and close this content page. Okay, now one more thing we have to do, we have to add a absolute layout. Okay, and we have to close this absolute layout. Fine, so the pop-up has been added. So once you will click on the add button, the pop-up will be appear as expected. So inside that we have to just do one thing. Pop-up add skill dot is visible equals to true. Okay, so now let's run this application and see the output. So here we are getting the exception on image name tap the close pop-up. Okay, fine. So here you can see the event handler that will close the pop-up. We had not created the event handler. So go in backend and in the backend just paste this event handler. Now run this application. So on this event handler, pop-up will be appear. On this event handler, pop-up will be disappear. Okay, we can add a skill. Okay, one more thing, we can add a skill. One more event handler on which here you can see this is the image edit skill and fine. So this is our pop-up and this we have one more event handler btn add skill click. So one more event handler btn add skill click we have to add in our code. Now run this application again and see the output. So here once you will click on add skill, the pop-up is coming as expected, but in this pop-up we have not bind anything in the picker. So let's move on the Visual Studio and again bind this drop down. Okay, so for that what we have to do, we will add a we have added user skills and okay, so go in the backend and add two classes. So one is for experience drop down list and second for service detail. Okay, and in this experience we have to add the experience. So go over here and add the experience. Okay, experience, fine, cool. So this get experience, we have to, using this experience we have to bind our people picker. So for that we have to create a override method. So that method I will create over here, protected override void on appearing. So inside this event handler we will add our get experience list. Okay, so I will just add this code over here and here you can see the experience list. So I will declare the experience list over here, and for observable collection I will add collection.object.model. Fine. So once the page will be ready and on appearing event our drop down or people picker will be added. Now let's run this application and see the output. So once I will click on add a skill and see the experience has been binded in this drop down. Okay, cool. The same way we have to bind our next drop down. Okay, so for that I will add a method over here. So in this you can see we have to stop the application. Okay, so here is the service of here is the list of the service. Okay, so using this method we will using this method we will bind our list. So for that I will add a on appearing method. In the on appearing method again I will call this skill list. Okay, so what's happening in the skill list, just add this over here, and using this skill list our drop down will be banded. So what's happening in the front end, you can see here in the picker the item source equals to service list and the item source equals to experience list. So the same thing, experience list and the skill list I have binded over here. Okay, and here you can see one more thing, you can see the item display binding equals to service name. So what is this service name? So this service name is the property of our class. This service name will be banded and this total experience will be banded in the people picker. Okay, again go in the backend, or here you can see the service name or total experience. So the two columns means two columns. One column service name will bind in this service name people picker, and the second total experience will bind in the experience people picker. Now again let's run this application and see the output. Click on add skill button, and here you can see all services are coming as expected. Okay, so here you can see this pop-up close button. I already told you that pop-up click event. On this pop-up close event, you can see here btn skill pop-up click visible equals to true, and in the close one we are doing the visual equals to false. Okay, so what we have did first, we have created this add skill button. We have created event on add skill button, and on add skill button once you will click, the pop-up will come, and here we have banded this people this picker, and second we have banded this picker, and now we will put the entry in the free text. Now what we have to do here, we will add a button that will add this pop-up information in this grid view. Okay, so let's move on here, and in this pop-up click event is visible equals to false. Let's remove this and save this application and see the output. Click on add skill. So here you can see the add button is coming as expected. Now in this add button we have to do some code. btn add skill dot click. So what we have to do, btn add skill, we will add the user skill over here. Okay, so let me copy and paste few lines of code. So first once we will add the skills, then we have to disappear this pop-up, and few things I'll let you know step by step. Here you can see the service name. We are getting the selected item dot service name, and total experience entry dot selected item dot total experience, and user skills skill binding model equals to new user skill. So in this object we are filling this selected data, and this object we are passing over here. So one more thing we have to do, for skill binding model we have to add a object here and initialize this object. We can initialize this object over here, or either on button click we can initialize the object. Okay, so add skill binding model, I already told you in my previous video that in skill binding model we have banded the drop down, sorry, we have banded the grid view. Okay, so here you can see the skill binding model. So this is the model view model kind of binding. Fine. So here in this object we are getting the selected data, and in this user skill list the selected item will be added, and we are again binding our grid view using this EVM. Okay, again run this application and see the output. Fine. So I will just click on the add skill, and I want to hit a debugger over here so that you can better understand what I'm doing over here. Okay, so let's click on add skill button, select marketing manager, and total experience 3 year and rate equals to 11111. Okay, just hit the add button. So here you can see the debugger has been came over here. Okay, now press the F10 and see what's happening. So service name you can see marketing manager, and total experience will come as expected equals to 3 and in the new object we are filling this object experience equals to total experience and daily rate equals to user entry dot text 11111. And this skill binding model object we are adding in a evm.userskills.list.add, and this EVM model again binding with grid view. So let's run it and see the output. So here you can see the marketing manager 3111 has been added. Let's remove this button. Click on again mechanical engineer, select experience 1 and click on add button. So here you can see the mechanical engineer has been added over here. Again, if you want to add one more electrical engineer and 2323, this is the rate of this engineer. Click on add and here you can see the row has been added as expected. So in my next video I will let you know how we can edit this item and how we can delete the entry. So I hope you like my video, and if you like my video then please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.